Previously. Welcome to part 2 of my dad's Porsche 356 Notchback restoration video. The original pedal cluster was converted to a right-hand configuration. Thanks, Rob. The new color is graphite metallic with a red wine full leather interior. The notchback interior is different to the coupe or the cabriolet. The front carpet pockets are different, and so are the rear seat bottoms. After sandblasting, we uncovered quite a few surprises. The biggest surprise being the right-hand headlight is quite a bit of a mess, and it's going to require a new clip after a very average repair was completed previously in its life, and there's a few other bits and pieces that are going to need a little bit of extra love. After the sandblasting was completed, we've actually found that the car is a lot lighter, and this is because all the Bondo, bog and filler has been removed. The doors also need new bottom skins and a bit of TLC. There are lots of small dings all over the car and lots of flat spots that need to be attended to.